Hi guys, it's Wantor here and I'd like to tell you a story.
Meus amigos de grave com pé de 30, os amigos de grave com pé de 30. Tira do coach, levanta a mão, joga a pistola pra
So my story is basically about a typical Saturday in Queen Takpan's house. Queen Takpan happens to be my mother. You can see that we're all getting ready to cook because it's Saturday and Saturday is cook day. And this is me, Wantor Toryem, the daughter of Queen Tarapan. And this is basically me trying to set up fire so we can start cooking. And I enjoy doing this. Yes, I do. And I've been doing this since I was a child. This doesn't mean we don't practice other cooking methods, but we just believe that cooking with firewood is the best way, and any food that is made, any meal that is made with firewood usually tastes really nice. Yeah. This is me trying to season the cow skin, the mutton and the beef before cooking, and that's my auntie pounding the afang. On the other hand, that's my mom trying to chop the ititan leaf. Saturdays are an absolute favorite because we get to rest, we get to cook together, or we are playing games, spending quality time together. It's always an interesting idea when we get to cook because there's this closure when we're cooking. So when the grandma pot is out like this, you know that an amazing meal is about to be prepared. Oh, this right here is called periwinkle, which is popularly known as mfi in the Aqua Cross region of Nigeria. I know that the Igbos call this nsam, but trust me, this is highly nutritious. I can kill corona for this. So what is it called in your language? I'd like to know. Share with me in the comment section. Yeah, thank you. So I'm going to continue by sharing with you my first cooking experience. I was about 5 years old at that time and I just wanted to prepare a pot of beans. It ended in tears because the beans was so strong and I ended up burning my tongue while testing. But I loved the experience. It was so surreal. I enjoyed everything. I liked the fact that I tried, and guess what? Everything happened in this particular compound. Yes, this particular backyard. Everything happened here. I was born and raised in this compound, and I learned most of the cooking techniques I know today in this compound. So moving on, let's talk about a meal I don't really like, which is also being cooked today. It's called ititan, and basically this is the process. You first have to boil it and wash off the first water before you can cook the leaf. I only eat this food when I have no other option. That is the only time you're going to catch me eating ititan soup. Forgive me if I'm showing you so much of the backyard. It's just because it's very calming to watch those leaves. It's so calming. So anytime you see palm kernel in an aquarumite's house or kitchen, just know it that either they are making oil or they're about to make atama. Atama is a special banga that is very popular in Akwa Ibom and Cross River State. Are you serious? Yeah. So that hook was found in the stockfish head. So apparently the fisherman forgot to take it out. So since this is looking good, I think it's time to take you guys on a tour of our farm. No, I take that back. Our backyard. It used to be a proper farm up until we lost my grandma, and we don't take care of the farm again. So this is the early stage of a pawpaw. This is cocoyam, and we have plantains, we have yam on the other side, we have afang, we have a few crops here and there. And this is me just walking through. And that's Mr. Goat. They disturb my life, eh?
You give me a picture.
You want to make a snap picture?
Okay. My name is Ufre Titus, and I'm Wantor Toryem's cousin.
You know where food. Okay, where are you going to? And what?
The owner of the church, the Indaboski Church.
You're mad.
The Bahose.
The Bahose. Who you from? Who from you? Who you? So now one person supposed to go visit woman.
Yes, I want to go visit my mama and they follow me na bodyguard for what?
Now wow. Woman. See them. So I haven't taken you on this tour, and at least you've gotten to meet two of my cousins. I think it's time to get back to cooking. So the palm kernel is boiled and ready to be pounded. So after it's been pounded, we get to extract the juice, which is popularly known as the banga juice. You can use this to cook any meal. And this is Auntie Annie getting ready to pound the palm kernel. So fun fact, when I was a little child, I didn't get to eat so much atama. So I got to a particular age where I loved atama a lot. And then at this point of my life, I love atama, but I'm not so into it like way back. I can cook it as well. So this is what the juice looks like. And then you get to empty the kernels. And yes, of course, the goats came to get some lip stain. How do they look? Should we call this a red lip or yellow lip? I don't know what to call it. The one thing about Akwa Ibom dishes is that they look alike, but they don't taste alike. So you see a lot of vegetables, but trust me, they taste very differently. So I want to talk about something very serious. So a lot of people feel like I post a lot of indigenous content, and I feel like that is what I like. People say I'm not supposed to post like I'm a village girl, but I mean I am. You can take the girl out of the village, but you can never take the village out of the girl. So I feel like I need to share this content with you. I need you guys to see my type of experience, how I've experienced life, and what I see as beautiful. A lot of people derive joy in luxurious living, but this right here is joy to me. I'm very happy when I'm in this setting. There's this joy. I feel very ready to conquer anything at all. So I didn't even get to tell you guys the meals that we're preparing today. So we're making afang, we're making a dikaikong, we're making a ditan, which I don't like, and then we're making atama. We're supposed to make okra and ekpankoko, but that's not going to be possible because of time. And yeah, of all the meals we're supposed to make today, the only meal I don't know how to prepare is editan. Let me see. So can you guess what soup this is? If you said afang, then you're very correct. So this is afang, and after you put the afang into your pot, you bring it down and mix it on the ground. So this method basically secures how fresh your afang is going to be looking in days to come, and also the taste of the afang. I don't know why I did this for a year. And yeah, this is basically how we store our afang. So we're going to empty this pot into this container, which we are going to put in water and cold water, and later on we are going to freeze the afang. So my mom has said it all. This is edikan ikong. So there's something about edikan ikong. I don't eat edikan ikong outside. I don't eat any edikan ikong that is not made by my mother. She makes the best edikan ikong. Her edikan ikong beats my edikan ikong. So I eat only my mom's edikan ikong. I don't enjoy any other person's edikan ikong. My mom's edikan ikong has my heart, and it's the best I've had since I was born. Still wondering how people like editan. I mean, forgive me, but I don't like that soup. So basically that's the stock soaked in banga juice and ready to be on fire. So yeah, that's it. And this is uyayak. Oh yeah, editan. That's more like the last phase of editan. I mean, how do you guys like the soup? I mean, look at it. Just look at it. Look at how slimy it's looking. How do you guys love the soup? Wow. But well, it's nice. So yeah, this is oyayak, and oyayak gives your atama soup a particular type of flavor, a really nice flavor, and that's why it is we usually use oyayak for our atama soup. People use oyayak for white soup, which is ofensala in Igbo land, and it gives white soup a really nice flavor. Yeah, I can't wait for this to be done with, because I've not had my bath since morning, and I've not had to rest since morning, and I want to eat all the meals. Yes, I want to eat everything. So that's the atama basically. That's the atama leaf. So this is like the last phase of the atama soup. So once you put the leaf, you stir it and you bring your pot down. So we're finally done, and this is their afang. The next is the edikan ikong, which is followed by editan. So we have like 2 containers of editan, and then we have our atama soup. The atama is looking yummy, and guess what? Out of all these meals here, I didn't taste the edikan, but you see the edikan come, it was to die for. So you know that at the end of the day, you gotta clean and tidy up. And as the youngest amongst the people who cook today, it's my responsibility to do that. So I had to clean, I had to wash the pots, I had to sweep the environment. I mopped inside, I had my bath, it rained, so everywhere was chilled, and I ate. It was amazing. And I had a great time filming with you guys, I must say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was entertaining to watch. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and let me know the kind of videos you'd like to see on this channel. Thank you and bye bye.